The employees and customer service team at Kalkine have been very helpful to me in the fact that it's due to their research into stocks and certain equities, they've been able to inform me of particularly undervalued stocks or good opportunities in the market, which might be more unfamiliar to certain newer investors such as myself. And from the information and research that's been done on these particular stocks and the fundamentals and the reports that are produced, because since most investors like myself, we already have a job that we need to do.
Yes.
We might not always have the time to look through the information in detail and do the research for ourselves. With these reports, all the information is in one consolidated package, and therefore we can then quickly look and then make the informed decisions. So when I get more service, which I've provided from Andor, then he has given me certain stocks, which I myself have been able to then make the decisions on, and then based off my risk have made my investments, and these have produced very good returns in the amount of time that I've been using Kalkine services. Well, as you just mentioned about the flexibility of the different products, what I have noticed is at the start, obviously there's good starting reports for the investors and resources report, but then you go all the way up. You can either buy individual ones, or you can go up to the or you can buy the platinum package where everything's included, and that's where you get the personal account manager, where I feel like, I don't know if there's something more bespoke, whereas I could select these 3 particular reports and get a slight discount, or I could select these 3 reports or these 5 reports, and then that would give me a slight discount depending on what I'm wanting. So allowing clients to select something a bit more bespoke and tailored to their needs depending on where they were wanting, because at the moment it seems to be of buy these reports and just keep adding it on, or you go for the platinum package,
Yes.
the overall one, which obviously is a lot more expensive. So it depends on, you need something a bit more intermediate for more intermediary for other investors. So one thing I'll say about my experience with Kalkine, even though it's an internationally based company, as everyone can see, London, Sydney, Auckland and Toronto, it still feels to have a personal touch, which in this day of more video conferences, more and more web chats, it's nice to have that personal touch still. So, for example, I'm on the call with you at the moment.
Yes, sir.
I've spoken to Brianka, Asher, Jason, Dawn, and Andor is my personal account manager.
Yes, sir.
The fact that I know everyone's names who I've encountered shows that personal touch, that it's not always a different person that you're talking to. You will get the same people over and over again in a short period of time. May not every week, but you're still going to encounter the same people over and over again, which I think pays a lot of dividends, excuse the pun, in this sort of market.